Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a core project and establishing a minimal, consistent folder layout so you never hunt for assets. Once done, select a lightweight template or empty scene and import only essential packages like input and physics to keep iteration fast. You should create a main scene and a playable camera now, then add a placeholder player object so you can test early. Make sure to save versioned builds frequently. This prevents losing progress and establishes a baseline for later features. Next, you implement the core systems that make the game feel like a game. Start with a responsive player controller, movement, jump, and camera coupling, because controls define everything else. Then define the gameplay loop, objective, scoring, and a simple state machine for play, pause, and game over so logic stays organized. Prototype with low poly or placeholder assets and a minimal UI to test feedback. As you build, iterate rapidly, tweak values, play immediately, then refactor code to keep systems. Finish by polishing visuals, optimizing performance, and preparing a release build. You should profile first, reduce draw calls, combine meshes, and lower texture sizes as needed so target devices run smoothly. Once stable, configure build settings for platforms and add an automated build step to avoid manual drift. If things go wrong, reproduce the bug consistently, then bisect commits to isolate the regression. This methodical approach lets you fix the root cause instead of patching symptoms. Finally, run a final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.